Omisha, 1st May 2015. I believe in saying, Dam vita es, spes es. While there's a life, there is a hope. I am currently working in KYEC company. My spare time, I love singing, dancing, and designing. This beauty contest is a part of fundraising activity of SMSI Taiwan chapter. They are the scholars of the Sister Mary of School. Hey guys, I would like to invite you all to our Coronation Day this coming December 20 in Hsinchu, Taiwan. For more information, you can visit our official page. And guys, don't forget to like my photo at www.shopwithflor.webly.com.